How to turn off location on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out how we can turn off location on Facebook. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and turn our location off. So first thing is heading over to Facebook. You can go ahead and log in into your account using the Facebook app. And once you are here on this dashboard, the first thing is heading over to profile at the top right. Once you are here, you can go ahead and tap on the settings and open up the settings and privacy menu. And once you reach over to the space, you can go ahead and search for device permissions, or you can use the search bar for direct option. You can just go ahead and type in permissions here and go ahead and do that. Once you do that, you should be finding this option called device permissions. Go ahead and view this option. Once viewed, you will be finding different options, including the one that we are looking for, which is location, this one right here. So go to see info section and go to this update settings section, and if this option is turned on, you can go to open device settings, and you just need to go ahead and turn your location off from this app. So if you have given permissions of location, you just need to go ahead and make it not allowed from the application, your device itself. And when that is done, your device locations will be off in Facebook. So that is it. That is how you turn off location on Facebook, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.